We have an extremely nice 2001 AU Fairlane Ghia. Really tidy vehicle, this one. It has belonged to the Canadian Embassy and first registered in New Zealand. Being very well looked after too by the owners that have subsequently owned this vehicle after the embassy. Very nice car. Interior is very tidy. New headliner being installed. Doors shut really well. Access into the boot. Leather seats are really nice condition. Driver's side, even the driver's seat bolsters and that are fine. Sitting at 270 k's. I'll just start us up. CD is not working on this, however, which is a pretty common thing with those 6 stacker internal units. It's had a lot of work done on this vehicle. Completely brand new suspension in the front, top and bottom A-arms been replaced, sway bar links, bushes, etc. Runs extremely well. New battery, headlights clear, no fogging. These here are for the Canadian flags, I would assume. These just unscrew, these caps unscrew, and you have a plug in there. Unfortunately, I don't have the aerials themselves. Brakes have all been done, brand new shocks in the rear. Gas struts new front and rear as well, very tidy on the boot. Spare. Probably the worst thing about this vehicle is the paint. It's got a couple of places in there. Don't get me wrong, it's nice paint, but it has got a few little flaws in it. Scratch there. Few sort of stone chips, but nothing too serious. As I said before, absolutely no rust. Going to give someone a lot of nice cruising.